Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into one of the essential Excel features that can help you manage your spreadsheets more effectively. We're going to learn how to hide and unhide columns in Excel. Let's start with hiding columns. Sometimes, you might have data in your spreadsheet that you don't need to see all the time. Hiding columns is a great way to keep your worksheet clean and focused. To hide a column, follow these simple steps. Select the columns you want to hide. Right-click on the selected column header. In the context menu, click on Hide. That's it. Your selected columns are now hidden. You can see the column letters skipping from B to D, indicating that column C, Age, is hidden. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also hide columns by selecting the column and then pressing Ctrl+0. Now, what if you want to unhide those columns? It's just as easy. Here's how you do it. Select the columns neighboring the hidden column. Right-click on the selected columns. In the context menu, click on Unhide. Your hidden column is now visible again. You can see that column C is back where it belongs. Or, use keyboard shortcut. Select the neighboring columns of hidden column and then press Ctrl+0. There's another way to hide and unhide columns using the ribbon. Here's how. Select the columns you want to hide. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Cells group, click on Format. Hover over Hide and Unhide. Then you have the options to hide and unhide both rows and columns. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to hide and unhide columns in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.